Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu. From here we just have to go into the profile menu, scroll down, tap on settings, and here at the top we find language. If we tap on this, then we can select the language that we want to use inside the app. And yeah, if we selected it, it's going to update. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.